Throughout your life, you might have noticed that the moon looks different during the month. How does this happen, you might wonder? What causes these changes? First, it is important to know that it takes the moon 28 days to completely orbit the Earth, about the length of a month. Next, you should know that the moon is bright because it is reflecting light from the sun. It is these two features of the moon that causes it to appear different to us each night. Because the moon is orbiting the Earth, the angle that we see the sun's reflected light on the moon changes and gives us different images of the moon. Each image is called a phase, and these phases make up the lunar cycle. This cycle lasts 28 days, the length of a lunar orbit, and these are the phase names: new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter moon, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter moon, waning crescent, and back to new moon. Here is an activity to help us better understand why the moon looks different each night. These are the materials you'll need: a desk lamp, ping pong ball, a stick or pencil, and a swivel chair. Tape the ping pong ball to the stick so that it is resting on top of it. Sit in the chair holding the ping pong ball on a stick and face the lamp. This lamp is representing the sun, the ping pong ball is now the moon, and you are Earth. In order to prevent an eclipse, hold the moon about 45 degrees above your line of sight. This will create a more accurate simulation. Now, as you face the lamp, look at the ping pong ball moon. Is it lit up? No, it isn't. This means it is in the new moon phase. Now turn about 45 degrees to your left, counterclockwise. The ping pong ball is now representing the phase waxing crescent. Turn 45 degrees to your left again, and the ping pong ball is representing the first quarter moon. Continue to turn in 45-degree increments, noting what phase your ping pong ball moon is in, until you return to the new moon phase. You have just completed a lunar cycle. From now on, when you look into the night sky, you will be able to picture where the sun is in relation to the moon and to Earth. You could also use the simulation to determine when the moon will rise in the sky. For example, the new moon will rise exactly when the sun does, because they are aligned in our sight. But since the full moon is completely opposite to the sun, it rises exactly when the sun sets. You can use this diagram to better understand when the moon will rise in its various phases. The next time you see the moon, consider this simulation. Practice determining what phase the moon is in, where the sun must be, and when the moon rose in the sky. The more you practice, the easier it will be to understand the lunar cycle.